Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we'll do comparison between Visual Studio Code and Blackbox AI. So guys, Visual Studio Code is a powerful open source code and editor by Microsoft supporting multiple program and languages and extensions, and it is tool used for developer to writing and codes and the black box guys AI. It is also a code completing to fix the bugs and resolve the complex code integration with idea, including VS Code to enhance coding productive using AI. So guys, this is both good tools. This black box, you can build codes and you can ask your question from here. You can upload image and customize, and you have all this option. You have a project management, you have project option, image to up, this option also good option, and note, you can taking a note app. Visual Code guys, it's also open source, as I say. It's code, you can code with Copilot AI powered features with Python and Stripe integrations. You can build your own Copilot extension code. You have this language supported, all language. So guys, thanks for watching this video. See you on another video soon.